than 17% of the population in Greater Cleveland is considered to be living in a food desert. These are low-income households that are either a half-mile away from the nearest urban grocery store or 10 miles away from the nearest rural grocery store. But in Cleveland's Kinsman neighborhood, there's an organization offering healthy food resources to its community.
News 5 reporter Maya Lockett went to an urban farm focused on improving the neighborhood's overall health.
Gotta have that lettuce.
Kima Durden is the co-founder of Rid All Green Partnership.
These items are grown in the soil that we produce here.
An organization that strives to provide people in Cleveland with healthier food options.
We find that many local residents have to buy their food from the same place they buy their gasoline from, their lottery tickets, the mini mart, and the quality is just not that great.
The organization took this once abandoned piece of land in the Kinsman neighborhood and turned it into an urban farm, hoping to improve the overall health of residents.
In the area that we sit in, there are higher incidences of diabetes, heart disease, cancer, etc., and a lot of that is attributed to diet.
Over the past 13 years, the farm has grown from 1.3 acres to 18. There are 6 hoop houses, 2 greenhouses, a fish farm, and a community kitchen that provides healthy meals 2 days a week.
So we thought, we might be able to change that if we were to create a space where people can not only learn how to grow healthy food, but get good advice on how to consume healthy foods.
They also offer a training program where they show people how to farm, getting them excited about healthy eating.
We teach individuals everything that we know about the art and science of urban farming, going all the way back to the importance of soil.
Changing the food conversations in Cleveland.
There's no grocery store in an 8 to 10 mile radius where folks can go and buy local produce or fresh, nutritionally dense produce, and we want to service that need.
The farm is located in an area that was once called the Forgotten Triangle, but it's becoming a safe space for families.
Nobody would use the playground. This is one of Cleveland's signature playgrounds. Nobody would use it. Folks were intimidated to come down here because of a lot of illicit activities. But now, from being here and having a daily presence on site, we've really transformed the community and turned it into a vibrant neighborhood.
In their efforts to expand their resources, they also own a farmers market in the Maple Heights area, where people can buy food grown at the urban farm.
Maybe through that we can change some lives and save some lives.
They told me they are helping and encouraging other people to start local markets in food insecure areas to help provide healthy foods in other communities. Reporting in Cleveland, Maya Lockett, News 5.
And the impact of the farm could be seen on a nearby road as well. Part of the area was renamed Damien Forshey Way.
And he was one of the farm's co-founders. He passed away in 2018. Always does taste better, right, when you grow it. Comes from your garden. Can't beat it.
Eat those vegetables.